Most of the Outlook users complaining about email notification not working. In this video, you will learn the reasons behind it and how to get rid of it. There are couple of reasons. First, maybe notification feature is disabled, and another is window is not supporting the notification. So let's understand how to make it happen so Outlook notification works normally. First, go to the File tab, click on Options, click Mail from the left side, scroll down, and here Message Arrival section. If you can see, there is some options: play a sound, brief change in my mouse pointer, show an envelope icon in taskbar, display a desktop alert. So check all the options and click OK. Secondly, click on Start button, go to Settings, click on System. From the left section, click on Notification and Actions. Here you can see Outlook. It is already turned on. In most of the cases, it's turned off. So if you see your Outlook is turned off, make it turn on and close the window. Once you activate both the options, now your email notification start working and you will not further face the issue of email notification. If your problem is solved, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.